What's up everyone? Welcome to Investing with Adam. I'm your host Adam, and today I got a quick tip for you on why it's extremely important that you shop around when you're first buying or when you're refinancing your mortgage to get that best interest rate. And yes, if you didn't know, you can 100% shop around for a new mortgage rate when it comes time to refinance your house to make sure that the bank or lender you're working with is giving you the best rate possible when you re-sign or first sign that mortgage. Now here's my quick visual tip as to why you should shop around. Let's take a $300,000 and a $500,000 mortgage to give you a bit of a comparison as to what the difference costs-wise are going to be on a lower mortgage and a higher mortgage. And we're going to use a very simple calculator you can find online, and I'll link it in the description below so you can access it and play with the numbers yourself. So let's say you were offered a 5-year fixed term mortgage on a 25-year term at 2.75%, at 3%, and at 3.75%, and we'll do the 3% just so that you can see exactly what just 1/4% can actually cost you over the monthly payments and a 5-year mortgage term. Now keep in mind there can be more to consider when you're signing a mortgage than just the interest rates, and having an awesome mortgage broker on your side can really make that a lot easier and simpler for you to understand. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to talk interest today. So here we go. First, we'll start off with what your payments could look like at the 2.75% on a $300,000 and a $500,000 mortgage. And those numbers are $1,384 a month approximately on the $300,000 and $2,306 on the $500,000 mortgage. Now let's take a look at what that looks like with the increased interest rates. So if you were to add just 0.25% more, your payments on a $300,000 mortgage would go up from $1,384 to $1,422, and your monthly mortgage payments on the $500,000 mortgage would jump from $2,306 to $2,371. Now, let's look at the 1% increase. At the $300,000 mortgage, you'd be going from $1,384 all the way up to $1,542 a month, and on the $500,000 mortgage, you jump from $2,306 all the way up to $2,570 per month every month. Now some of those don't really seem very different, and in some cases you might be thinking, we'll just cut back on some of the Tim's runs every month, or maybe ease off on the Pizza 73. No problem, right? But let's take a look at the bigger picture of what the total interest rates will cost you over the full 5-year term. Now just by increasing the percentage by 0.25%, I mean 1/4 of a point of interest higher over the 5-year term on a $300,000 mortgage, you're looking at paying just over $3,500 more in interest. And on a $500,000 mortgage on the 5-year term, you're looking at paying almost $6,000 more on just that teeny tiny little 0.25% interest. Now if you think that's a lot, let's take a look at what 1% is going to cost you. On a $300,000 mortgage over 5 years, 1% interest increase will cost you a little bit over $14,000. And 5 years at $500,000 of mortgage is going to cost you just about $24,000 more in interest costs just by paying 1% more in interest. That starts looking a little more painful when you see those big numbers added up over the full 5-year term of that mortgage commitment. Now, as I mentioned, this is just a brief tip or illustration as to why it's important to take the time and shop around, whether you're just buying and inking that first mortgage commitment, or you're re-signing after the first 5-year term and you're looking to make sure that lender's cutting you a good deal. This will help protect you from dumping those sometimes hundreds or maybe thousands and thousands of dollars down the drain when they could be staying nice and comfy in your own pocket. And of course, I'm always here to help you out, whether you have some questions or you just want to sit down face to face and talk about your real estate goals and how I can help you get there and achieve whatever you're looking to do with real estate, whether that's buying, selling, or investing. If you liked the video today, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and be sure to share this anywhere social media allows, because nobody else out there that I know of anyway wants to voluntarily pay more interest than they have to. They'd rather keep that money nice and happily in their own pocket, or spend it however they feel like it. That's all I got for you today. Hope you're having an awesome day, and I will catch you on the next one.